Hello, lettering friend. Welcome to the blue episode in my Rainbow Style series. Let's get right into it. Just like in the green video last week, these are not technically all of my blue pens because some of them are dark blue, some of them are light blue. I just had to choose. There's so many different shades of blue that I couldn't fill the page with all of them. But I do like the way it turned out with the different shades of blue, some dark, some light. And there's even a few aqua colors in here, which I just think are so pretty combined with the dark and light blue. I could do a full page on a turquoise aqua blue, but I had to skip it because I didn't have that many pages in my journal. Maybe next time I'll plan ahead to use a teal or turquoise as well. I like this blue page because it feels really calming. Even with all of the different shades and all of the different styles, just something about the blue feels really calming. All of these pens are linked below in my Amazon favorites. As always, I hope you enjoy this calm video with real-time lettering. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.